Jackie. It's Jackie. Okay, so today we are doing a full wear test of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. Oh, that's not English. Stick foundation. And mine is in the color Shell Ivory. And I'm wearing it right now, as you can see, because I already did my face. I always have my makeup done for my intro 99% of the time. There are times I don't, but so yeah, we're doing the Photo Focus Stick Foundation all day wear test. So if you want to see how this goes, then stay tuned. Okay, so today we're doing a full day wear test on the Photo Focus Stick Foundation. And yeah, so that's why my eyes are, well, not completely done, but, started. So yeah, I think I'm going to stick with the Rose Water Drop Primer from Wet n Wild. Today, my mirror, I don't know what's going on with it. Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but I finally got my hair to a decent color. I dyed it dark natural blonde and then added highlights. So now I'm like, okay, see, now I like it. I can deal with this. This is a hair color I can deal with. It's not yellow, it's not white, it's, blonde. All one color with highlights. Hey, yeah. Okay, so there's the primer. Okay. All right, let's do this stick foundation again. This time we're going to wear it all day and do chickens. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I'm hoping it does better than the... Look at my pores. Can you see that? It's terrible. I need a pore filling primer. I want to get my hands on that E.L.F. Poreless putty primer. But I guess, oh my goodness, no. It's out of stock. And it has been forever. I have it, so they're supposed to email me when it's back in stock, and I haven't gotten an email, and I've been on this list for months. So maybe they'll never get it back. I don't know. I really want to try it though. For $8, if it's as good as everybody says it is, yes, I want to try that. Yes, please. Would love to try it. So I'm going to use a different concealer today. That's why I didn't put on my concealer first. Try to use one that's, I don't know, just different. Wouldn't say it's less coverage necessarily, but I don't know, I just feel like it'll blend in with the foundation better. I have dry skin all here in my nose, so that's going to be very obvious. And on my nose, there it is, yup, clinging right to it. I thought my skin was okay, but maybe I didn't. No, I exfoliated. I'm not going to sit here and scrub my face to death. Dockety dock, 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 dock. I know, I'm very talkative. Let's add a little more. Right in here where we need more coverage. The nose area. A little here in the chin area. See. Maybe I should have tried using a brush with this. Maybe a brush would have been better. Well, it's a little late now, isn't it? Maybe the next time I use it, I'll try a brush. See if it gets fuller coverage. I feel like if I lightly pat this in, maybe I'll get fuller coverage. Maybe. I'll try a dry sponge. This Real Technique sponge is dry. Let's see what a dry sponge will do. Sometimes a dry sponge is not that bad of an idea. Sometimes it'll, you know, leave it more full coverage. Sometimes. See? That wasn't so bad. I kind of like that. Okay, so we're going to switch to this. Dry sponge. Oh, jeez, I can't talk today, guys. Cannot talk today. Oh, my son went back to school. His little vacate is over. Had a good Easter. How was all of your Easter? Did you guys have a good Easter as well? Went to my dad, saw my grandpa and my brother. And my dad, of course. It was good. 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 My makeup doesn't look great today, does it, guys? Oh. Okay, so I think this is what we are left with right now. So, yeah. Yep, still clinging to the dryness on my nose. Right there, you can see it clinging to the dry skin, which a lot of foundations do on me. A little, like, clinging to dry patches. There, a little over here. Oh, hi, sorry, I'm, like, staring into the mirror, and so it's clinging to dry patches. I'm so good at this. It's clinging to dry patches here in my nose area where I have dry skin. But yeah, we already knew it did that. So now it's time to finish the rest of my makeup and I will be back. Okay, so it is 9:36. I just checked the clock real quick on my phone, which I used to film. That's why I can't show you that it says 9:36 in the morning. So we're gonna call the check-in 9:30 because, well, my foundation was on before I finished the rest of my makeup, obviously. So yeah, 6 minutes? It was probably on even before that, but so as of right now, it's looking the same as I said. It is clinging a little to those dry patches, and yeah, but I do like the finish. I just wish, you know, I didn't have those dry patches for it to cling to, then it would be perfecto. So yes, I will do another check-in later in the day, and then I will do a final check-in, you know, before I take all of it off. So, yeah, I guess I will see you in a little while. Okay, so let's do this lovely little check-in from my couch. It's a couch. It rocks and reclines and has cup holders, but anyways, it's a couch. So it is 1:36, so I have been wearing this for, I don't know, 4 hours? So yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but it's looking the same as when I put it on. So hasn't really worn off, which is amazing because I took a nap. I'm not gonna lie, I was tired. So I did take a nap, and yeah, but I don't know, guys, it's looking pretty darn good, must say. It's holding up well. So that is a lovely, 4-hour check-in. So yeah, I'll be back later tonight for probably the last check-in. I don't see us needing to do any more than that. So far, holding up nicely, looking pretty good. Same old, same as when I put it on. So yeah, okay, I will see you at the next check-in. Oh, I don't know if you can tell by my hair that it is the end of the night. By the end of the night, it's like 6 o'clock. That to me is the end of my day. I take off my makeup, get all nice and comfy in my jammies, and yeah, that's what I do. So let's see, what is that, like 8.5 hours? 9 hours, 8.5, 9 hours, something like that. Let's see, do math, Jaggy, do math. 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3, 4, 5, 8.5 hours. Okay, so let's talk about it. Honestly, this mirror's dirty. I have to clean that. But other than the fact that this mirror is dirty, I actually think it looks the same. It's rubbed off on my chin, but I'm always doing this, so that is all me. I know you're not supposed to touch your face, but like really try not touching your face, okay? Some people are face touchers, and I am a face toucher, so I mean, it broke up a little on my nose, but I mean, that is where all my driest skin is, so I'm thinking that's why. But other than that, it's broken up a little in between my eyebrows, but a lot of foundations do that there. I don't know if it's like, I think it's like just dry between eyebrows. I think it just is on most people. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it looks pretty much the same as it did. So I'm going to go ahead and say this actually holds up pretty well. So if you're somebody who has like more normal skin, pretty much normal. I wouldn't say oily because I don't have oily skin, so I can't speak for that. But if you have like normal skin and you don't get a whole lot of dry patches and stuff, I don't know, I think this would be a really good stick foundation for you. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was going to end up being. If I didn't have these dry patches I have on my cheeks and nose, I would probably say this would be a go-to foundation because it is so easy. You just put it on, blend it out, and bam, you're done. But I mean, I will use it from time to time when, this kind of isn't as dry. I don't know. I'll have to, give a good once-over look at my skin before deciding to use this again because all depends on the dryness of my skin. But yeah, other than that, I would give this a thumbs up. As long as you don't have dry patches, you're good, I think. In my opinion, that's how I feel. Anyways, I'm hot right now. I cooked. And yeah, now it's hot in my house. But yes, and obviously lipstick kind of wore off, but duh, I just ate. Literally just ate. So yeah. I think it wears well, I must say, because it's still on there. I could go longer, but I don't want to, because I want to take my makeup off and get all comfy and be done for the day. So yeah, I'd say give it a try. Give it a try. You never know for sure if you're gonna like something until you try it. So I mean, if you don't have really dry skin, I'd say go for it. Give it a try. But yeah, so that is it for this lovely foundation video. I hope it was helpful. I also hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I would love to see you come back for more videos. And hit that bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you have a wonderful day.